All right. Yes, everybody, this is Monique. I don't think she goes by Monique anymore because Tom and George have sold her to Grant and his lovely wife. Well, she's here getting her AC gone through. We couldn't get her to charge the other day, about a month ago. And I noticed I had a leak here, the gasket. So I already put a fresh gasket here. I got a fresh gasket for back there I got to put in. I do have a new dryer I need to put in. And the expansion valve is what our problem was. Now, of course, they sent us the wrong expansion valve. I need a 38844. They sent me a 38622. So that's going to hold me up a little bit. But we got her stripped down, torn down, ready to go. And as you can see, we was leaking. She was not sealing. All right, got our new expansion valve. It came in today, thankfully. I hope that's not going to be an issue. But yeah, new expansion valve's in. Everything's where it's supposed to go. And it's supposed to be. So we need to put the dryer in. I gotta pull the old one, put the new one in. And I gotta take our 2 bolts out of the back hose there for our low side. And put a fresh gasket in. All right, got our vacuum pump hooked up. Definitely sucking, so we gotta let it suck for a little while, and then we gotta seal it up, make sure it's not leaking, and then we'll put refrigerant in. All right, we are holding vacuum, so I'm gonna fire the car up, and we're gonna charge it. All right, so definitely not building pressure. We're fully charged. We're not building pressure. It's very linear across. It's charging the ambient temp. This low side should probably be around 35, 40, and this way up into the 200. And we ain't. So it's a rebuilt compressor. So I need to call the vendor because it should still be under warranty.